Hello, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create pages and do a couple of things with pages on Notion. So this is my Notion account and I'm using the free plan and with just one member, and there is no team space. All my Notion tasks and pages are in my private area. So if you want to add a new page, you simply have to click on this plus icon beside the private tab. Or let's say you want to create a page for this or this, whatever pages you want to create, sub pages, you simply have to click on the plus icon beside that sub page. So I want to create a page in my private area. I will click on this plus icon. Once I click it, a page is added with the name Untitled. So I will give a name. Let's say I will call it Notion Tutorial. Alright, so this page I will call it a Notion Tutorial, and this is a completely fresh page on my private area. So now this page is created. I can do couple of things like adding a cover. This is the topmost section of your page where you can add a image of your choice. But when you first click on add cover, there is a random image that appears by itself. So you can change that cover by clicking on change cover. You have the option to select color or gradient, or you can select one of these images. Even you can upload it by clicking on the upload icon, or you can simply use any image from Upsplash. So I will use it from Upsplash and I will search management tool. So I have this image which I like. So this is a cover image that I have added. Since if you don't like the position of the cover image, so you can reposition them by clicking on the reposition button and drag it by with your mouse. Okay, this is fine, and I can save the position. So I have added a cover image, given a name to my page, and there's another third option, that is I can add an icon. So I will click on icon. By itself it picks one of the random icon. I can add emojis or icons, so even you can upload a picture. So but okay, let's upload a picture instead of adding emojis or icon. Go to custom, click on upload, and if there is this one. Okay, so this is uploaded from my computer system. You can even pick any emoji or icon for here. Now the fourth thing that I love to do on Notion is setting its full width, because full width gives you more space to add your stuff. And now let's add a sub page to this Notion page. You can add sub page either by clicking on the plus icon beside the Notion tutorial page, or you can simply write /. You will get the options to add different basic blocks. Select the page block and a new page or a new sub page is added. We'll call it list of Notion tutorial videos. So this I will call it list of Notion tutorial videos. I will do all the 4 basic things. One I have done, given it a name. I will add a cover image, and I will search it on unsplash list, and I have a list here. I will go with this one. Perfect. I will add an icon, and in icon I will pick list, or simply this one is perfect. Okay, so the list of this is a sub page which is in the Notion tutorial page. I will set it to full width. Okay, so I have a page called Notion tutorial. In that I have another sub page called list of Notion tutorials. In this manner I can add even more pages by clicking forward icon and selecting the page block, and I can call it, let's say, my recording tasks. On this page I will do all the basic things that I love to do, and recording means something which is related to recording. Video. Okay, this is fine. So my recording task look at this carefully. I have a page called Notion tutorial. In that Notion tutorial I have now two sub pages. One is called list of Notion tutorial videos, another is my recording task. So whatever task I have, I'm going to write down in this sub page. The good thing about Notion is that you can add as many sub pages as you want. Simply keep selecting pages, page block in every sub page. Whatever page you select, you can keep selecting on sub pages, and this will continue. There is no limit to add sub pages. Okay, so you now know how to add pages, you now know how to add sub pages. Another thing is you can navigate to these pages from drop down menu in the sidebar, or you can even use breadcrumb here. So Notion tutorial, under Notion tutorial you have my recording task. So if there are more sub pages, it will show as breadcrumb on the top. Okay, now if you want to delete certain pages, you can simply go to this, click on this 6 dot and click on the delete button. Or if you want to duplicate it, you can duplicate as well. Or if you want to move it, simply hold and drag and drop it. If you want to move it to some other pages, this is a sub page, and if you want to move it to some other pages, let's say you want to move it to 1 million blocks, you can drag and drop there as well. So pages are much like folders. In different management tools we have folders. Here we don't have any folder, it is all pages, and the blocks are added on these pages. That's all for this video. We will talk more on Notion topics in other videos. This was only about pages. Thank you for watching me. Please do subscribe, and if you are a blogger and looking to manage your blogging task or overall blogs, do check our Notion templates on 1millionblogs.com.